Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Honda CBR1000RR. This superbike just arrived with only 27,500 miles. Beautiful metallic red and silver paint scheme, gorgeous condition, steel braided lines, adjustable levers, smoke windscreen, anodized brake reservoirs, and wait till you hear that Akrapovic exhaust, fender eliminator, rear seat cowl. We also have the rear seat. It's got adjustable rear set foot pegs and a lot of other really cool upgrades. Come on by and make your Honda Superbike dreams come true for just $89.99. This bike is probably priced too low. It is not going to be here long. Check us out on the web. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.